Today we discuss the Ford 8N tractor. Stick around to learn more. The Ford 8N was produced from 1947 to 1957 in the United States at the Highland Park, Michigan factory where 524,000 were produced. The tractor sold for $1,404 in 1952, which is equivalent to $16,091 in 2023 dollars. The Ford 8N engine was built with either a 2.0-liter four-cylinder gasoline or distillate engine. The fuel tank held 10 gallons of fuel. The transmission was either a 4-speed constant mesh providing 4 forward speeds and 1 reverse, or a 12-speed Sherman combination transmission offering 12 forward speeds and 3 reverse. The engine produced an estimated 30.4 horsepower. The drawbar specifications claimed 23.16 horsepower, but testing rated it at 21.95 horsepower. The PTO specifications claimed 27.32 horsepower, but testing came in at 23.24 horsepower. The bell test came in at 25.77 horsepower. The PTO produced 545 RPM. The tractor was rated for a 2-bottom plow and had a rear lift capacity of 800 pounds. The tractor was a 2-wheel drive tractor, with manual steering and no cabin for the operator. The rear brakes utilized manual drum brakes for stopping power. The wheelbase was 70 inches. The tractor weighed between 2,410 and 2,717 pounds. The front tire size was 4.0 to 19 and the rear was 10 to 28 from the factory. The electrical system on the tractor utilized a 6-volt positive ground configuration and had an onboard generator for charging. This tractor was a well-built machine that can be found on many farms today. They were built to last and many are still in service today. Thank you for watching this video. Please help support us by clicking like and subscribe. Please visit the links in the description. This also helps support this channel and allow us to come out with more content.